Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. So today I'm going to be unboxing and flipping through my order from Coffee Planner Mom. Her name is Brittany, and I'm actually on her PR team for this quarter. And so I did have some credit to use, and then I bought a whole bunch of things on my own as well. So I will show you a couple kits that she has. They're absolutely stunning, and we'll go from there. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad you're able to spend more time with me. So let's open this up and go from there. So it comes super secure in like a pretty thick envelope, which I'm happy because I've received flimsy stuff before. But let me show you what I got. So I got 3 kits plus a couple single sheets, and then I got my freebie. So Brittany designed this for me. So if you guys use my code of Kasha15 for 15% off your whole purchase, you get this little freebie. So it says pretty rude. It's not Friday, but okay. And then you get all of these, like, look how perfect this is for Thanksgiving and for November and like for monthly. And I love the quote. So like, I love the quote. So if you guys are ordering from her, I would really, really appreciate if you use my code. And then this is a freebie she includes if you spend over $25, which I did. So, but first, pumpkin spice latte. Don't forget, fire pit, drink, apple cider. You get couple boxes, couple pumpkins, couple florals. Beautiful. Okay, and this is a freebie if you spend over $50. So it's a couple of these boxes. Like, look at the colors, like the sagey green, the blues, the like khaki is so pretty. So you get a couple trackers, 5 boxes, and then some, looks like a checklist, which is awesome, right? So cool. Then this is what I actually ordered. So I got this deco sheet called Apples. I don't know how you guys feel about fall, but whenever I think about fall, especially looking out my window, my trees are red. All I can think about is red apples and end of fall and apple picking. So I thought this would be great to include in my order. And I am obsessed with anything apple flavor. I'm not a huge pumpkin spice fan, especially because it's like this fake pumpkin flavor. However, the apples are my go-to. So this is a part of Autumn is Calling. So this is a little deco sheet that you can purchase separately, and it has apples and leaves that you can include throughout your planner. And I thought that was so beautifully done, so I wanted to get one of those too. And then this is the whole kit. So it's called Autumn is Calling kit. So you get some deco boxes. Really, really beautiful. You get a couple functional ones on the bottom, and then you get a whole sheet of functional boxes that match your kit. Like, how awesome is this? Like, look at these. I love this, like this size of boxes for my work schedule. And then the third page is a couple of boxes with days of the week, so you can use these for like bills or chores or appointments or stuff like that. And then these are to-do lists, which you can use however you want, and then checklists, days of the week, and some bullet points. Very, very functional. She also includes like all of these little leaves and stuff. Autumn leaves, pumpkins, please. And then there's a quote page. Okay, so let's take a look. All at once, summer collapses into fall. Leaves are falling. Autumn is calling. Fall is proof that change is beautiful. Autumn is my favorite color. It's fall, y'all. And then you get a weekend. This week, meal plan. Next week, don't forget important appointment chores. Birthday, dinner, Towel Tuesday, Trash Night, and Payday. Awesome. And then all of her pages on top next to her name have all of these little leaves. Do you see that? Like this one has pumpkins. It's so kind that she includes this, like you get extra decorations. And the pages are actually quite large. So if you take a regular Happy Planner book, like look how large these are. And if I take like a Mojo Jojo, this is how it compares. So the pages are probably much larger than what I'm used to from sticker shops. So these are great. Let's see. These are how big? I'll measure them for you. So they're 5 inches by 7.5 inches. So that's very, very generous. Okay, so this one was called Autumn is Calling. Let's go into next one. So the next one is actually called, let's see, move this one away. This one's called Crisp Kit, and it is still fall. You have some pumpkins, you have like all of this orange and brown and navy blue, really, really beautiful graphics, and it's so fall, right? It's like, look at this yellow and navy. I love that combination. So that's your decorative sheets, just your decorative boxes with some functional ones. Then again, you have a full sheet of functional boxes, right? So you get these and then these. And again, I really use these a lot. I use these as well. I will put like main thing of a day up here. And then you get the ones with the days of the week on, the checklist, days of the week, bullet points, autumn leaves, pumpkins, please, with some decoration, and then checklists. And then this one, the quotes change. So you have the weekend with the flowers and some decorations. And then the quotes are crisp mornings, crunchy leaves, cozy sweaters, fall breeze. A fallen leaf is nothing more than a summer's wave goodbye. Oh, that's cute. Every leaf speaks bliss to me. Okay, and I love to watch fall leaves dance on the autumn breeze. And then these repeat, so that's really cute. I really, really like the colors of this. So again, every kit comes with 4 pages. So you have the quotes page with the decorations. You get your checklists, and then days of the week and some bullet points. Then you get a full box of functional boxes. As you guys know, there's never enough boxes around. And then some decorative boxes so you can layer them. So that was the crisp kit. And again, if you guys know me and watch my channel, you already know I am a nut when it comes to plants and florals and greenery. So I, of course, had to get this kit. So it's called Greenery Kit, of course, right? So I think it's so beautiful and I couldn't stop looking and waiting for it to come. So here you go. Let me show you this. So this is the decorative boxes. They're lovely. You have some functional ones as well. And you have the full sheet of like very pale, beautiful greenery box. It's so, so beautiful. I can't take it. And then you have the days of the week. Again, you can use that for chores and so on. Checklists, actual checklists, days of the week, some actual graphic, and then we are on the quotes page. So these things repeat, so like birthday dinners, all of these repeat, but then all of the quotes are different. So this one is Smarty Plants. That's so cute. Potted like it's hot. Isn't that funny? Plant parent, keep growing. I'm so excited. I wet my plants. Oh my lord. Okay, Brittany, this is so clever. I love it. So again, these are the kits I ordered. She has a lot more to pick from, like pages and pages. I had such a hard time making a decision of what to get, so I'm sure I'm going to be going back to get more. Anyhow, this is what I got. If you guys shop with her, please make sure you use my code. I would really appreciate it, and it would mean a lot to me if you showed some support. And if you guys want me to use any of these kits first, let me know which kit should I use. So we have Adam is calling Crisp Kit and Greenery Kit. I also can use it in any of my planners. So we have a dashboard layout, we have a wellness layout, we have a vertical layout, and a meal plan. So let me know which kit, which planner, and I will try to make that happen for you guys. But thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you guys had fun. And if you decide to shop with Coffee Planner Mom, I would appreciate it. I will link her website down below with my code, and have fun shopping, because I sure did. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!